What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? You see today, we installed this originally September the 1st. I redid this installation December the 1st, last week. We're going through and shampooing this bad boy. We needed to do 3 shampoos. I always go inside the cap and spray antiseptic. And yeah, make sure you rinse. No product left. And we're going to go ahead and prepare the unit to get reinstalled. And I flip it inside out so the interior can get dry much faster. I got one of them fancy behind canvases that you put the blow dryer through, but I don't really like it like that. But anyway, we still do hair care. Give her a steamer. She's out of the steamer, rinsed out. We doing a little bit of leave-in conditioner with Influence. I believe that's the coconut milk leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to give her 2 little twists in between. You know, my favorite. Influence stimulating spray. You can get all this on my website, too, at www.officialposhhair.com. It'll come up sooner or later in this video. Anyway, thanks for all my subscribers. Thanks for always watching me every week. I appreciate every last one of y'all. Y'all give me so much confidence with editing and getting on this YouTube University streets, dolls. Okay? Yeah, so we're going through the scalp and spraying the rosemary before we do a little bit of pre-drying. And then I'm going to go back to the unit, okay? So we're doing rotation, baby. We're going to go ahead and knock out 2 things. What is it, 1 stone? You know what the heck I'm talking about. Anyway, this is what happens when you don't have an assistant, and I don't have no time to train an assistant at this time. So therefore, we go ahead and rotate. Use your time accordingly. Now we're going through and we're going to flip this daggone unit inside out. But you see it's a little residue. Remember, this was in for 3 months, okay? 3 months. No maintenance, no shampoo, no nothing, okay? That's why I had to show you that before. I was surprised. My damn work lasts 2 goddamn long, okay? I must have glued her for the gods. Well, you know what? I did use some medical grade adhesive a little bit. So, yeah, getting the daggone stuff off with the tape, it was not a game, okay? Flip it inside out, and then we're going to do the proper mode. My doll got this unit from Amazon, I believe. I do not know where, okay? I was not the first one to put it on. I was the second or third. I do not know. But we're going to go ahead and make it come back to life. It gets some leave-in conditioner too, because baby, it needs that. And she wanted some more bangs, so trust the process. I'm going to go ahead and over-direct and bring some more hair. I don't know where the bangs going to come from, but we're going to go ahead and, yeah. We're going to bring it through because it got to line up. Anatomy, okay? Geometry, all that in hair school. It has to be at the what? Apex of the head, the top, the crown, okay? You can't have the part coming all the way from yonder. We already making the frontal bangs and we doing updos. So this was a whole 360 unit and this was a challenge. But anytime it's alopecia, they kind of, you know. I like the damn solution, so I do certain things. I pull out my daggone sleeves, you know. I pull out the old school Dudley girl hot comb and my little updo skills. But don't get it twisted. This is not what I do in a regular, okay? But I can. We're going to go ahead and trust the process and cut the bangs after it's dry because we got to go ahead and get her together. For daily content, if you do not know, if you're not already following, follow me on Instagram at Posh Hair Design Salon Spa. See, this is me recording for Instagram. See? So this is for YouTube University and Instagram at the same time. Okay? And in case you just try to dial my number, I'm always accessible, but I got 2 phones. We're going ahead and braid in this process. Straight back, nothing fancy. You know what I'm saying? We just going ahead and do what we do. Get it in there like swim well. Back and forth, back and forth. And that's what we do. I only do frontals, dolls, and divos on my dolls who do not have a hairline. Again, every artist is different. I'm about hair care. I don't care if you got 25% hair left. We gonna care for that hair and that scalp, all right? This is where you get the goddamn tips that's more than $5, dolls, and divos. This is how you get a chicken sandwich with a drink. All right? There we go. PhD Hair Solutions, that's mine. Go on www.officialposhhair.com for your hair growth oil. Like, Taneasha, why are you doing that? Why are you oiling her scalp? Because if I did not, if she took that down in 3 weeks, we would have been having to light some incense, baby. Okay? Remember, we always going to go ahead and try to nourish the follicles that is there, all right? I'm not I'm not a hairstylist no more. Okay? I got certified in hair loss and trichology. So therefore, we ain't just been going to do no glues. We just don't do glue, okay? We're going to always have hair care up here in Posh Hair Designs. Forever hold your peace, okay? This is the part that I go ahead and, anchor it with the up and down so I can have another row to sew on to, okay? I love my crochet needle. We're going to go ahead and latch this in. I braid down to her end because she got some length, a little hang time. Even though it's fine, we're going to go ahead and bring that needle up. And this is how we go ahead and save excess thread and bulk. Just go ahead and make sure you go through that cornrow. Don't skip to the next cornrow, dolls and divas. You skip. That's going to be a long-ass piece of thread, and that nigga go ahead and snag. Even though she can't, repetition get you caught. So, therefore, I do things in order, as always. Cut the access, and there we go. We're going to go ahead and clip up her neck. It's taking me a little while because for some reason it's unplugged. I know why the hell it's unplugged. I'm trying to organize my cords. And let me be quiet. Let me go ahead and shape her neck up. Mind my business. I'm sitting out here trying to tell people how to make products. Anyway, or tools for us. And they got cordless clippers. I got them over there. But anyway, let me go ahead and edge this up. That's what I need for Christmas. Back on topic. We going back to the that wig, that 360 wig. If you already not subscribed and put that notification bell, you missing. You missing good commentary. Is that what they say? You missing good voiceovers. And of course, we always going to do good alopecia solutions up in here. Okay, that's what I specialize in. I like the more challenging stuff. Don't get me wrong, below I serve this purpose, but 20 years in the game. Damn, a license. I got my license in '03. Dudley. Shout out Dudley, DC. I don't know what the hell I thought I was doing with that goddamn razor, but I needed to change the blade. But for purposes of this video, I did not want to step away. So now I'm going through and point cutting. I should have been picked up the shears, but I was already using a razor. So that's what we doing, okay? I don't know why the hell I made double work for me, but this is how we doing it. And it was a struggle to make sure I did not put myself in the camera. Leave the comments below that I'm doing good with my editing, y'all, okay? I'm trying to get there. Now we're going to go ahead and blow dry her. This tripod that I got from Amazon, these tripods ain't worth 2/4. It don't got no damn weight on it. You can't even use it. I got a whole damn thing with my foot to blow dry. You see her rocking and rolling. We're going to go ahead and blow dry her through with a paddle brush to make sure she's always ready. I ain't have her pent. My ass flipped her out and she ain't pent, so we got to go ahead and adjust her real quick. Okay? With the bang. I don't know what inches this is, so do not ask me in the comments. Remember, I said I don't know who started this 360, but it was signed up as a weave maintenance, so I thought I was going to be shampooing some install bundles. And to my surprise, we got a whole 360 unit. But since she was an alopecia solution, we went ahead and just rock we rock with. But that's normally a conflict of interest. People like, Taneasha, you don't do outside wigs? No, go to Alibaba and have them put your wig on. I make wigs for a living. And ain't not their wig y'all come up in here with is better than mine. So therefore, it's a conflict of interest. Want me to find myself with a smile? Why would I do that? Okay? If you make wigs and you a beauty professional, you crazy to let people bring outside damn wigs. Now, you can bring outside hair, knock yourself out. But wigs? Nah. Not when I make them. Lies, you take. And we going ahead and putting it through. I was keep adjusting her head. Child, came straight from work. She was tired. All right, going through sewing it in, how am I sewing in? She wanted it all up. Guess what? 360s getting my damn nerve. Now, if you want to play with them, good for you. But it getting my nerve because everybody's head is not the same damn shape, size, or none of that. So it's always baggy. Taneasha, I'm not doing all that work. I do not do all that work. Leave it for the goddamn millenniums, the last babies, okay? The frontal slayers. Knock yourself out. That clientele is not even goddamn loyal. Okay? It's what kind of wig have you done for me lately? That's that clientele. That's what that clientele gives me. They don't buy the wig from you and they don't get it installed by you all the time. Now, alopecia, they're going to come back to your girl, okay? what you do and you specialize in, you are known for. If you do a little bit of everything, anybody gonna know your ass, okay? All right. Trying to give you some nuggets. Trying to give you some nuggets. So we going ahead and doing an updo. We're using the Babyliss 2 inches. And I'm using my Marcel's. You know, to give it a little bit more long. That's probably why my hairstyle lasts so goddamn long. That's why my hairstyles last too goddamn long. Child. Anyway, went ahead with the Marcel's and, you know, gave her a little bow, something cute. You know, she wanted some updo and she wanted bangs. I tried originally to attempt to put it all the way up, but baby, that back, that 360, we was not time for that. We time for a 2.5 hour service, and to my surprise, we doing a whole 5 hour daggone service. Okay. Don't come for me in the comments about my damn time. I'm a perfectionist. I ain't rushing nobody. Hey, you want something done in 2 hours? Guess what? It's Taneasha Hines, ain't it? I'm not rushing for what? I charge accordingly and I take my time. That's probably why my hairstyles last them longer than most. That's why I got long-term clientele. I don't got clients, I got clientele. Lie as you tell. Lasts too damn long. When you're rushing to get to the next person instead of charging accordingly and taking the time with the person in your damn chair. Everybody matters, okay? I'm sorry I had to go ahead and read y'all rights, but y'all beauticians doing too damn much. So don't come for me with my damn time. My time, you in the chair, yeah, you in there for a little minute, but I don't overbook. And second of all, your hairstyle gonna last your ass more than a week or two, okay? I'm just saying. Going through with the little Marcel to give some tight curls. And then we're going to be spraying her down. We did a little hold and spray, a little soft hold. Plus, we're going to do a little got-to-be little mist. The further you stay back when you blow dry. When I say blow dry, child. When you spray the mist. There you go. You see how far I am? Okay? It's going to last a while. So that's probably why I was like, it was hot. Updo ain't supposed to go nowhere. She works 12-hour shifts. She ain't got time fucking around with her damn head, okay? That's why she come to pay me to do hers. And this was actually fun. This is something that I normally do not do. But once you could do hair, you know the foundation, child. You could do some goddamn hair. It don't matter what they give you. I'm curling her little sideburns, giving her a little something. You know, something. Updos normally, you know, it's not my thing. I could do them, but if you're not going to an event, I'm normally not a fan of it. I'm a seasonal stylist. I like certain colors at certain seasons. I like certain lengths. It's a story. It's real arts. That's why I call myself a hair artist, okay? We don't just do shit for no damn reason. We greasing your scalp is for a reason. We using the shampoo is for a reason, okay? We ain't just doing shit up in here. 90s, baby. Got me cussing. I'm sorry. I ain't supposed to cuss on YouTube. Shoot. Okay. Because now your girl monetized. Make sure you go on Instagram and follow your girl. Like I said. And now we just going through and just tweaking it. As always, cool dolls and divos, make sure you like, do the notification bell, and subscribe to your girl. And here is the queen to be. Did I give you the bow effect? She got to have her bangs. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll be back next Wednesday with another video, another alopecia solutions or whatever I feel.